Good evening, everybody, or good day, wherever you are in the world. My name is Jason, and this is Ryland, and together we're called Seasons. We're a new group here on Maui, Hawaii, and we're very grateful to be here today. We've been asked to be a part of a little production here at the Fuzz Box Studios, and this is live at the Fuzz from Studio A. This is such a beautiful room. We've had the opportunity to jam out here at a couple parties, and man, the vibe is always nice here. So we're going to play a couple originals here for you during this whole crisis, and just put out some music for you. This song is called Feels Like Home. Wondering which way the wind will blow today. I heard your laughter in the echoes of the pouring rain. I've seen your eyes shine as bright as the summer day. A beautiful smile never seems to fade away. It feels like home. It feels like home again. It feels like home. Like home again. was called Feels Like Home. We're Seasons, and we're based out of Maui here. And we're here live at the Fuzz Box Studios, Studio A. And the transmission going out is titled Live at the Fuzz. And we're grateful to be here. This next song is called Angel. It's for all those saviors out there that pull us through the darkness. Angel, and we're going to close with one more. This one's called Delilah, and it was written for my mother. because mother simply just won't do. Oh, Delilah, your petals have dwindled into the wind, Delilah. Well, all right, everybody, stay safe out there. Stay healthy. My name is Jason. This is Ryland on the keys and the pedal steel, and we're called Seasons. And this production was brought to you by Fuzz Box Studios, live from Studio A. And we'd like to say thank you to everybody. We're very grateful to be here and to be surrounded by such a creative crew. Everybody out here on the island of Maui, get your guitars ready, get your vocals ready, get your stand-up comedy ready, your podcast and your visions. This new thing that they got going on over here is going to be amazing. So we're really excited to watch it blossom and take off. And you guys take care out there, okay? Aloha.